Hey guys, if you are new on the channel, let me tell you what this project is about. 2023 will be my first year as a representation as a beginner trader. I show you guys a realistic journey of person who wants to enter to the world of trading. There are so many fake infos on the social media platforms promising 2000% profits in one day if you buy their so-called trading course. I want to show you a realistic example and representation what it's really like to be a profitable trader and of course what it takes. So the most asked question what I get is probably the how much money can I make with this trading thing? And my answer is, it depends. It depends on your risk tolerance, your strategy, your account balance and of course the market. Because not every month will be the same. Do you set a profit target or do you trade everything what comes in front of you? There is no simple answer to this question, but I try my best to answer for you what you can achieve realistically. I can't say this enough. Realistically. So as you already know my special 1 minute per day, as I just call it, the no-brainer strategy, performs around 7% profit per month on average with risking 1% per trade. It means it can be 13% and it can be minus 2% and so on. But what does it mean in money numbers? Let's say I have $1,000 and I deposit it to my broker. I start trading with risking $10 in every trade I open. I made 7% profit in the month, so I have now $1,070. Not that impressive, right? Imagine if I have a $100,000. I make the same trades, the same month I got $107,000. $7,000 profit for 1 month is not so bad. But let's change the risk parameters. Now I risk 2% in every trade and I open the same trades, just like in the example before. Now I have $114,000. But the positions I opened are exactly the same when I got only $70 and when I got a mind-blowing $14,000 profit. I hope it was not too confusing. So what are my expectations for the first year for this channel? As you know, I will start one prop firm challenge in every month and then send the profits to my personal account to trade it there too. So if I want to calculate my expected profit that I can make, I have to know some numbers. Account balance, risk percentage, and expected profit percentage. Account balance. In MyForexFunds, the max allocation that you can manage is $600,000. You can go above that in a way, but I will explain it in another video. Risk percentage. Once I pass phase 1 and phase 2, I will get my live account. It's too hard to pass these challenges, so once I got the live account, I don't want to lose them. That's why I will trade with only 0.5% risk. That means if I lose 0.5% of my balance, and if I win, I will win 1% since I go with 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio. Expected profit percentage. Once I reach 2.5% profit, I will stop trading and wait for payout for more reasons. Reason 1. With the first payout, I get back the challenge fees plus a little more bonus from the phase 1 and phase 2 results. All in 112% refund from the challenge fee. This is a very important detail because I plan to start one challenge in every month. When I get back a challenge fee, I can buy another from the same money. This way I don't have to invest a lot of money in. Reason 2. We know that our strategy can reach the 5% milestone in almost every month if we are risking 1%. So I risk 0.5% and that will be the same result if I reach the 2.5% profit target. With all that information now we can calculate our expected money what we are planning to get from the prop firm business. If we have a $100,000 account and we make 2.5% profit, we got $2,500. But we don't get that all, we have to split it with the company, so we get our 70% and they get their 30%. Our total payout is $1,750 in this scenario. Let's say we have a $300,000 account and we reach our 2.5% target. We get ourselves a payout of $5,250. Not bad for 1 minute work a day, right? With the max allocation, $600,000, we can have $10,500 payout for the month. And so on. But here comes the catch. What if I trade a part of that money on my private account, risking a fixed 1% per trade? Let's go with this example in the middle. First month we got our payout of $5,250. We pay ourselves $2,000 and we deposit the rest $3,250 to the private account. We managed to make only our average 7% profit for the month. We got an extra $227.50. Yeah, I know it's not that much. Let me show you what happens if we repeat it for one whole year. Yes, it's $65,000 with this combination. Without trading the private account, it would be $42,000, so the difference is a stunning $23,000. But let's do this for one other year. Let's see what happens. Remember, we already pay out $2,000 from the prop firm money to our pocket every month, and we only trade here the rest, the $3,250. Look at these numbers. The difference is a stunning $124,000 extra profit. Yes, you can say that we may not reach our 2.5% prop firm goal in every month, and that's true. Based on our backtesting data, we managed to do it 7 times out of the 8 months. So that is 87.5%. Let me make the correction quick. Still amazing results, I think. If you don't want to compound it like this, you can enjoy the full payout, but as you can see, the real money isn't made in the prop firm business. Or at least not with this safe, consistent, and no-brainer strategy. But this is what I got, so I will do it that way. When somebody says trading is a marathon, not a sprint, I think this calculation represents perfectly what they mean. You have to be patient enough to see the results, and consistent enough to make it through the drawdowns. If you want to check out the prop firm I use, I leave a link in the description.